All right, number 6. The circle above has center O. The length of arc ADC is 5 pi, and x equal to 100 degree was the length of arc ABC. Okay, so we know this angle is 100 degrees, and we know the arc ADC, this arc here is 5 pi. And we want to solve for the measure of the other arc, ABC, that's going the other way around, right? So that's the major arc there. Okay. So that's x, that's what we're trying to solve for, the bigger arc. Okay. So when we talk about arc length, so you want to remember arc length is always proportional with the central angle. So pretty much the bigger the central angle is, the longer the arc. Okay, so if we said this 5 pi corresponds to the 100 degree angle, then we can actually solve for the bigger arc. You see the other angle there will be this one right there, right, on the other side. Okay, so to solve for the measure of this angle, we can actually subtract from 360, because in the full circle we have 360 degrees, and this one angle is 100. We can do 360 minus 100, and that's 260. Right, so the bigger arc, or the bigger central angle, should be 260 degrees. Okay, once we have the measure of that angle, we can set up a proportion. We can say the arc is 5 pi, that corresponds to 100 degree angle, so we can do 5 pi over 100, and say this will equal to the measure of the larger arc is x over the bigger angle, which is 260. Okay, you do 5 pi over 100, you go to x over 260, like that. Because we know the arc measure and the angle measure should be directly proportional, so you can set up a proportion like that. All right, so to solve from here, we can solve for x by doing cross multiply. Okay, so you cross it over and multiply, we get 100x equal to 260 times 5 pi, which is, we had to multiply this out. Okay, so 260 times 5. So you can just do 26 times 5 here. And then the 0, we can just drop it straight down. Okay, 26 times 5, it will be 5 times 6 is 30, carry a 3. 2 times 5 is 10, plus a 3 is 13. Right, so we should get 1,300 as our final answer for that. And then we have to divide it by 100. Okay. Oh, don't forget the pi, 1,300 pi. And then to solve for x, we have to divide by 100 on both sides. Get x equal to 1,300 divided by 100. You can cross out these two zeros, right? So it'll be 13 or 1 and just 13 pi. Okay, 13 pi, which is letter B for our final answer.